Hey everyone! Welcome to Top Scholars. Preparing for the ICSE 2025 physics exam? In this session, we'll cover the most repeated topics from key chapters to help you focus on what matters most. We'll also look at specimen paper questions and study tips to boost your preparation. Let's begin with Chapter 1, Force. Chapter 1, Force. Most repeated topics. 1. Contact and non-contact forces, frictional force, normal reaction force, tension force, gravitational force, electrostatic force, and magnetic force with examples. 2. Effects of force, change in state of rest or motion, change in size or shape. 3. Moment of force, equilibrium, and turning forces. 2025 specimen question paper. Question 1. 1. A moment of couple has a tendency to rotate the body in an anti-clockwise direction. Then the moment of couple is taken as A. Positive, B. Negative, C. Maximum, D. Zero. Answer A. Positive. Tips to study. Understand the differences between contact and non-contact forces with real-life examples. Practice problems on moments of force and equilibrium. Visualize the effects of force on different types of bodies, rigid and non-rigid. Chapter 2. Work, Energy and Power. Most repeated topics. 1. Kinetic energy, potential energy and their conversions. 2. Work and power with their units. 3. Energy transformations in various scenarios. 2025 specimen question paper. Question 1. 2. The kinetic energy of a given body depends on the A. Position, B. Center of gravity of the body, C. Momentum, D. Displacement. Answer is C. Momentum. Tips to study. Clearly understand the definitions and formulas for work, energy and power. Practice numerical problems on energy conversions and power calculations. Chapter 3. Machines. Most repeated topics. 1. Types of levers and their mechanical advantage. 2. Pulleys and block and tackle systems. 3. Efficiency of machines and related calculations. 2025 specimen question paper. Question 2. 1. A. A dash lever will always have MA greater than 1. Options: Class 1, Class 2, Class 3. And the answer is Class 2. Tips to study. Draw and understand the different types of levers and pulley systems. Learn the formulas for mechanical advantage, velocity ratio and efficiency. Apply the concepts to practical machines like gears, wheel and axle, etc. Chapter 4. Refraction of light at plane surfaces. Most repeated topics. 1. Laws of refraction and refractive index. 2. Total internal reflection and its applications. Example, optical fibers. 3. Refraction through different media. 2025 specimen question paper. Question 1. 6. An endoscope uses optic fiber to transmit high-resolution images of internal organs without loss of information. The principle of light that is used by the optic fiber is based on A. Refraction, B. Reflection, C. Scattering, D. Total internal reflection. And the answer is D. Total internal reflection. Tips to study. Understand the concept of refractive index and its relation to the speed of light. Practice ray diagrams for refraction at plane surfaces. Study the conditions and applications of total internal reflection. Chapter 5. Refraction through a lens. Most repeated topics. 1. Types of lenses, convex and concave, and their properties. 2. Image formation by lenses using ray diagrams. 3. Lens formula and magnification. 2025 specimen question paper. Question 1. 7. A convex lens has focal length 12 cm with an object at a distance of 20 cm in front of the lens. He obtains a blurred image on the screen placed at a distance of 23 cm in front of the lens. In order to obtain the clear image, he has to move the screen A. towards the lens, B. away from the lens, C. to a position very far away from the lens, D. either towards or away from the lens. Answer B. Away from the lens. Tips to study. Practice ray diagrams for image formation in convex and concave lenses. Apply the lens formula to solve numerical problems. Understand the sign conventions for object distance, image distance, and focal length. Chapter 6. Spectrum. Most repeated topics. 1. Dispersion of light through a prism. 2. Electromagnetic spectrum and its various components. 3. Applications of different types of radiation. 2025 specimen question paper. Question 1. 5. White light is dispersed by a prism. Inside the prism, compared to the blue light, the red light A. slows down less and refracts more. B. slows down more and refracts less. C. slows down more and refracts more. D. slows down less and refracts less. And the right answer is D. Slows down less and refracts less. Tips to study. Memorize the electromagnetic spectrum in order of increasing wavelength and frequency. Understand the causes of dispersion and the formation of a rainbow. Learn the uses and hazards of different radiations. Example: UV, infrared, X-rays. Chapter 7. Sound. Most repeated topics. 1. Types of sound waves and their properties. Example: frequency, amplitude, wavelength. 2. Echoes and their applications. 3. Sound propagation through different media. 2025 specimen question paper. Question 1. 9. Two sound waves X and Y have the same amplitude and the same wave pattern, but their frequencies are 60 Hz and 120 Hz respectively. Then A. X will be shriller and Y will be grave. B. X will be grave and Y will be shriller. C. X will differ in quality than Y. D. X is louder than Y. And the right answer is B. X will be grave and Y will be shriller. Tips to study. Understand the relationship between frequency, wavelength, and speed of sound. Differentiate between different types of sound waves. Example: infrasonic, ultrasonic. Solve numerical problems on echoes and sound propagation. Chapter 8. Current electricity. Most repeated topics. 1. Ohm's law and its applications. 2. Resistance, resistivity, and factors affecting resistance. 3. Series and parallel circuits. 2025 specimen question paper. Question 2E. Two copper wires can have the different dash resistivity or resistance, but will have same dash resistance or resistivity. Answer is resistance and resistivity. Tips to study. State and explain Ohm's law. Derive the combined resistance in series and parallel circuits. Solve numerical problems based on circuit analysis. Chapter 9. Electrical power and household circuits. Most repeated topics. 1. Electrical power, energy and their calculations. 2. Household circuits, including wiring, earthing and safety devices. 3. Fuses and their importance. 2025 specimen question paper. Question 1. 11. According to the old convention, the color of the earth wire is A. Black, B. Green, C. Yellow, D. Red. And the right answer is B. Green. Tips to study. Understand the concepts of electrical power and energy consumption. Learn about the different components of a household circuit and their functions. Study the importance of safety measures in electrical circuits. Chapter 10. Electromagnetism. Most repeated topics. 1. Magnetic fields and magnetic field lines. 2. Electromagnetic induction. 3. Types of transformers and their working principle. 2025 specimen question paper. Question 3. 5. A. Name the principle of AC generator. B. State its one use. Answer: A. The principle of AC generator is electromagnetic induction. B. One use of an AC generator is to generate electrical power in power plants. Tips to study. Visualize magnetic field patterns around current-carrying conductors. Understand Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. Differentiate between step-up and step-down transformers. Chapter 11. Calorimetry. Most repeated topics. 1. Heat capacity, specific heat capacity and latent heat. 2. Calorimetry, experiments and calculations. 3. Heat transfer mechanisms, conduction, convection and radiation. Question 1. 13. Heat capacity of a body is the A. Energy needed to melt a body without change in its temperature. B. Energy needed to raise the temperature of a body by 1 degree Celsius. C. Increase in volume of the body when its temperature increases by 1 degree Celsius. D. Total amount of internal energy that is constant. And the right answer is B. Energy needed to raise the temperature of a body by 1 degree Celsius. Tips to study. Define heat capacity, specific heat capacity and latent heat. Solve problems on heat transfer and calorimetry. Understand the applications of heat transfer in real-life situations. Chapter 12. Modern physics. Most repeated topics. 1. Thermionic emission and its applications. 2. Radioactivity, including types of radioactive decay. 3. Nuclear reactions and their applications. 2025 specimen question paper. Question 1. 15th. A nucleus of an atom consists of 146 neutrons and 95 protons. It decays after emitting an alpha particle. How many protons and neutrons are left in the nucleus after an alpha emission? A. Protons is equal to 93, neutrons is equal to 142. B. Protons is equal to 95, neutrons is equal to 144. C. Protons is equal to 93, neutrons is equal to 144. D. Protons is equal to 95, neutrons is equal to 142. And the right answer is C. Protons is equal to 93, neutrons is equal to 144. Tips to study. Understand the process of thermionic emission and its applications in vacuum tubes. Learn the properties of alpha, beta and gamma radiations. Study the basic concepts of nuclear reactions and their applications. Tips to study. Understand the process of thermionic emission and its applications in vacuum tubes. Learn the properties of alpha, beta and gamma radiations. Study the basic concepts of nuclear reactions and their applications. And that's it. These are the most repeated ICSE chemistry topics. Revise these thoroughly. Practice past papers and stay confident. Let us know in the comments which topic you want detailed videos on. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more exam tips. See you in the next video. Happy learning!